Hey everyone, this video is going to be a short introduction to the part enhancing productivity and specifically setting the basic options, preferences in the application, username, default folder, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Now, this slightly depends on your version of Excel, but anything after 2010 or 2013 should look largely the same. 2007 might be slightly different, and you see I have something from the previous video open here, but it doesn't really matter. The way you access the options is you go into File, and then somewhere on the left hand side you're going to find Options. Again, this is dependent on the version you're using, but you're always looking for Options, and it's going to be somewhere towards the bottom of the left hand side. You click Options, and this should be the same within any version of Excel. So what you're after according to the task is change the username and the default folder, and the username for me is Victor, and if you're in a corporate environment you may or may not be able to change this. But you see you're in Excel Options, General, and Personalize your copy. So that's where you change your username, and you can just change this to whatever you want. I'm happy being myself. And then the saving of the folders is going to be in here under Save, and what you're after is the default local file location, and it defaults, unless you're again in a corporate environment, it defaults to your C users and then username documents, which is your normal My Documents folder, and this is where you change it. And you can just type in a new folder if you want, or copy paste in the folder path if you know how to. Copy pasting folder path in Windows is actually not that difficult. If you open up a file explorer and you pick something of a folder like ctemp, if you come up here and just do Ctrl C and Alt tab in here, and I just did a Ctrl V, and if I now clicked OK, which I'm not going to, then that would become your new default. So that's how you do it. And thanks for watching. I'm going to cancel out, and the next exercise will be using available help resources. Okay, well, come back for that one. Thank you.